After our big long cold hike, we've come home and I'm making some noodle soup. Beanie had a McDonald's. Ali's still poorly, but she's looking cool. Aren't you, baby? You alright, Al? This is what we made. Doesn't that look good? What have you found?
A flower.
Oh, lovely. Can I have a smell?
Yeah.
It smells lovely. You're going to hold Mummy's hand? It's pink. Yeah. Are you ready to cross the road? I found a cat. Was it a hiding cat?
Yeah.
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Ali's got egg and chips. Mummy's got a sausage casserole. I got some sea bass. Can I have a chip? Yeah. So we're going to try No Chic strips, which are Iceland's own brand, I'm guessing, of vegan chicken replacement thingy stuff. As we're on our way, hopefully, back to being, well, not hopefully, we just have decided that we'd like to go back to mostly being plant-based. And this is another thing we can do towards it. We also bought the no bull mince, so we're going to do like a spag bowl of that. Tonight we're doing like penne pasta with some onion and garlic, the chicken strips, and then stirring pesto through. So you're going to see what that's like tonight. So what I've done is I've just started frying some onions and garlic, real basic like. And now to the pan I'm going to add the No Chic chicken. It looks quite chickeny. You see that? Smells like bread. So here we go. It's plant-based. Oh, it's just snapped a piece. Look, the inside is quite fibrous. Bit like when you make seitan. It's quite chicken-like. We shall see. Just going to add a bit of water because the pan's getting too hot. Can add a good grind of pepper, which can't really go wrong. And a little salt, not too much. It's staying together quite well. It's not breaking up like some chicken substitutes do. It's not kind of crumbly. It's so this is a soya-based product, and then sunflower oil. And some other bits. God knows how they make the texture in it. They must set it slightly and then stretch it, set it and stretch it to get these kind of fibres bits in it. Here we have our big pot of penne and our broccoli underneath. And I'm going to add the chicken into here, the chicken, and stir in pesto and then put it back on the heat. I've made far too much Means I've got lunch for a couple of days though, so that's cool. Just knocked the camera over by shutting its strap in the drawer. Not smart. Try a bit of this chicken. Chicken. It's got a bit of the chicken, a bit of the pesto and a bit of the onion. Oh, it's weird. It's got the texture of uncooked chicken. Don't know if you can see that, yeah. See, it's kind of gelatinous. I don't know if I can make it wobble. Yeah. And the side looks good. You can definitely tell it's soy. But it's not bad. Hello everybody. Today's Sunday. It's also D-Day, which means Dreadlock Day. Yes, I'm finally taking the plunge and putting dreads in my hair. Well, rather, Bean is putting dreadlocks in my hair. Thank you, baby. And two reasons. I've kind of wanted to do it for a very, very long time, and I've played with it, I've had wraps before and things like that, but I've been told I'm not allowed to wear a hat anymore. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you will know that most of the time I wear a hat. I enjoy wearing a hat, I find it very pleasant to wear a hat, and I wear one when I'm at work.
Hello, Laura.
Keeping warm,
No.
keeping my hair out my face,
No.
that kind of thing, and I also just find it fashionable to do so. However, it's not fitting in with the work uniform policies apparently, so I don't look smart casual enough, so I have my hair done instead, so I have nice hair to have when I'm in the shop, and it'll be easily manageable and out the way and out my face, just like a hat provided, but I'll have lovely little dready doodle doodles. Whilst we've been doing this, we've had some music on, and Ali has created sheer toy chaos. Allura? Allura? What are you doing? You're a mucky puppy. So at the moment we've got one row done, and the rest of it's sectioned off. I can't see what I'm doing back there. Can you show? Oh, oh.
Sorry. So, one row. Done.
This is how far we got. It's now about 4:30.
No.
No, 5:30.
Oh, yeah.
And we've been doing it since
About 11:30.
11:30. So we've done half ahead, maybe.
Yeah. But we have had to stop a few times.
We've had lunch and I've been for a dog walk, so
Yeah.
it's getting there. Does it look voluminous, and do I look like I should live on the road?
You look like you should live in a cave with that beard.
Cave times.
Cave times.
Okay, join pop. From the moon man. Feel the worm boy. Yeah. Lovely. You stop snuffling this.